This is question number 8, Kcse Mathematics Paper 1, 2025. And they are told the area of a sector of a circle is 550 centimeters squared. The sector is curved to form an open cone of radius 7 centimeters. Calculate the height of the cone. So for you to be able to solve this, you need to know how to find the area, that is how to find the surface area of a cone. And it is also important you can make a sketch that is going to help you understand the question better. So this is a sector. The sector, just a sketch like that. This sector, when folded, it formed a cone. It formed a cone like the one that I'm drawing here, and the radius of this cone is 7 centimeters. So we can say our small r, our radius of the cone is 7 centimeters. Now this one, let's call this the radius of the sector. The radius of the sector becomes the slanting side of the cone. This is L, the slanting side. So meaning that L is the same as R. Then the formula that we use to find the surface area of a cone is pi. Now instead of that is pi r L, but because we have said the L is the same as R, so we say that this is the same as pi r, the radius of the cone, multiplied by r, and that area is equals to 550. So with that we can be able to find r. Now find r, we say 22 over 7 multiplied by 7, which is the radius of the cone, multiplied by r, that is capital R, is equals to 550 by 7, so meaning R is equals to 550 divided by 22, and that when you divide using your calculator, you should be able to get 25, implying that R is equals to L is equals to 25. So this is equals to 25. This is equals to 25. We have calculated that. So if you have that is 25, and we want to find the height of the cone, we can draw the height of the cone. This is height. So this is a right angle triangle. We have this is 7, and this is 25. So using the Pythagoras theorem, we can say L is equals to L squared is equals to 25 squared plus 7 squared. So we get the square root. That is Pythagoras theorem. It is 25 squared that is minus 7 squared, which gives you the square root of 625, that is minus 49, and that gives you, when you subtract that, you get it is a square root of 576, which is equals to 24. So it means that the height of the cone is 24 centimeter. So that is how you get the height of the cone. So by doing that, you get yourself formulas. So what is important here, because we are saying in mathematics, the important thing is to have the first formula or information to be able to work out the question. So important thing here is, do you know how to find the surface area of do you know how to find the surface area of a cone? That is very crucial for you to be able to solve this question. So I hope you know, which you learned in Form 2 when you are working the surface area of the surface area of a cone. The surface area of a cone, we include the base. The base is pi r squared. So for this case, we are just dealing with the surface area, or the curved part. because it is formed from the sector here. Before we wind up, join our WhatsApp group, where you'll be able to get daily mathematics questions, free live classes. You have marking scheme, predictions, voice note explanation, and homework, and that is going to assist you in academic life. So thank you for watching this video.